Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, not Utiralo saying that she would rather be on medication than leave Umpumelelo. Because tell me, what does this girl mean by saying Uguti she is taking preventative pills, guys, because akafuna ukugula. She says Uguti Umpumelelo it refuses to use a condom. That time Abo can testify to this because Wabongwe in her diary session she says she doesn't think Umpumelelo cares that much about health because when they start having conversation about condoms, uthi akazingeni. Kusho Umpumelelo njalo uthi akazingeni. Guys, hi Tirelo. No, girl, mina ngiyabjaja. Girl says she's accepted him for who he is, so it's fine. Guys, I just need us, you know what, guys? I need us to be honest about this saying about inhliziyo iphakeme. In guys, I just feel like we're making silly mistakes and not even mistakes. We make decisions that we know very well are not good for us in the name of inhliziyo iphakeme. Guys, sometimes you need to use your head. Inhliziyo will follow. Just imagine being with a man that is ignorant about izifo la ngaphandle in the name of inhliziyo iphakeme. Yini guys. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me what you guys think about this or what you guys think about what Utireno was saying, guys. She's afraid of getting sick, but at the same time, she's with a man who seemingly looks like we was Landela or you Landela izifo. Anyway, you can tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.